Hi everybody, Sandy here from Scrapbooks Blessings, and I am excited because this is my second video for In Love Art Shop. You will find all the description of the products that I've used, the links, everything below in the description rather. And of course I will have the code there if you want to purchase any of these. It's $25 free shipping, $25 or more on each order, or you can get, there's a code below, FF Sandy, for 15% off your total order. So yeah, yay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this company, like I said, based out of China, does have warehouses here in the US. Shipping for me on my orders are between 6 and 10 days. Price point is awesome. We're looking at $1.66 so far to $6 is what I have paid for these products. Low price point. They come in these plastics, so you don't have to worry about they don't mess with branding and all that stuffy packaging, so that kind of helps. I don't even need this packaging, so that helps with the price point too. So let's get started. I actually wanted to show you my favorite. One of my favorites is this one here, and this one is a Swirl Die that I absolutely love. I am a swirl. This is very eye appealing to me, so I am a swirl girl. I like this design. This one comes with this stitched little banner here, little banner tag. These two pieces come together in one of the sets. I went ahead and I dyed this out. It does die out so you get just the swirls, and then I put the banner right across, the little banner tag across the front. I did have to cut out with just a plain circle die and then glue over top. You don't have to, but that's what I wanted to, because I wanted to be able to open and close this card, and I wanted that to be able to open. But here it is again. I did a gatefold card. This one I just ran this through twice and stickled it, and then I just glued it on and trimmed off the excess that I didn't need. Okay, so no, you don't need a circle die, but that's how it looks when it goes just on the card. I cut out the happy birthday. This one die I got before. I think this was like $2.66. I cut the happy and the birthday apart, and I made this, like I said, this cute little gatefold card. I just used ribbon to keep it closed. But when I opened it up, I have the Thinking of You, which these are the dies that I showed in the previous video for In Love Art Shop. I think I've used these dies more in the last 2 weeks than I've used any word dies in the past 2 years. So I am addicted to these word dies. I love the design. I love the different fonts. This one I actually cut out 3 times to give it that thickness, and I put some stickles for the dots. Really cute. Love how this one came out. But I wasn't done yet. You know me. I like to see what I can do for my money. I want more bang for my buck. Okay. So the next one I have is, which one? This one. I went ahead and I cut this out again, but this time I didn't really cut it. I embossed it. Okay. And then by putting my embossing folder down, I was able to get this really nice embossed detail of the swirl. So yeah, I said you don't use your cutting mat, you use your embossing mat. And so I went ahead and embossed that. And then here is the banner tag for the side. And then the Love You I did for the one I showed you last week. That sentiment, that was big words, sentiments. When you open it up, there's the U I put with glossy accents. But look at how cute this is. This is this card envelope die. So this is the card envelope. It measures, the card here measures 3.5 by 2 3/4. And it does cut out the little tab. Emily thought this was so cute. She wants these for her Valentine's cards. I said we can do that. We're actually going to keep the flap and put some little candy tucked in there, and it closes. I was thinking this would also be great for a gift card. If you have a gift card to put in, this would be really nice for a gift card. For the background, I used this background stamp here. I love these stamps. These stamps are awesome. So this was the background stamp, and I did silver embossing with this. I love these stamps. These stamps are flexible. They're silicone stamps, I think the website said. They're not that hard hard poly stamps. So they're flexible and they're really easy to use. Like that a lot. Okay, so that was my third card to show you. And then up next was this one here, this embellishment. That was this little swirl accent piece. Now these two pieces do come together, but my luck, I would lose them to come apart, but I would probably lose it if I did. So I didn't snip it, I kept it together. And I just put it right down on my card and made a tag card. Ran that through the machine. Here's the love you again. This time I did clear embossing for the love you. And then I did another background stamp, which was this one here. I love this swirl, another swirl background stamp. And then I did glitter embossing for my background. Okay, so those are the two background stamps I wanted to show you right now. There's the half moon. There's that. Trying to keep these all in order. Oh, I have so much goodies. I love my goodies. Okay. Oh, I wasn't done. This one here. This will be my last one to show you. I used this card accent piece again, and I went ahead and I embossed it on both sides. And then I ran through my machine the embossing folder. Like I said, they do have embossing folders. They have pattern papers now. They have cards. They have stickers. 3D diamonds. You just have to check out the website. There's a lot of cool stuff on their website. So I embossed that with the happy, and then happy birthday, I embossed it again in white, and I cut out the HB, so it's happy bee day. And then I put a ton of stickles on that. So that's it. So those are my goodies for this video. Like I said, this one is if I had to pick just one, this one is a must. I love that design. This one's a must, and these word dies are a must. And this is a must, and this is okay, you just need it all. You just need it all. It's just too much fun to play with. Okay? Okay, guys. So like I said, go ahead and check in the description below. I'll put all the links for you, make it nice and easy for you to find everything. And I would love if you gave this a thumbs up and clicked on the bell to get notifications for when I go live. I'm back. I'm getting back to my videos again. I've missed everybody. And subscribed and share the love. Okay. And oh, one last thing. I'm going to throw out a little plug for Scrapbooks Blessings Club. Come visit us over on Facebook. We're over 1,500 members right now in our group, and a lot of crafty inspiration for you. So, okay, until next time, bye-bye.